Our private 5G-powered nut tightener ensures precise fastening with real-time monitoring and AI-driven inspection. It records key parameters such as the number of turns, tightening torque, and angle value for seamless remote management. With all servers in one location, AI cameras can capture a wider range, and product inspections can be transmitted with fewer wires and devices. The Nutrunner utilizes AI for product inspection and provides real-time monitoring to ensure accurate nut installation, enhancing production efficiency and quality. This use case is increasingly critical in manufacturing processes that demand rigorous quality inspections. P5G is powering the future.